confirming stabilization.
Temperature and pressure are within tolerance, ready for the next phase.
As the specialized fiberglass moves toward the mandrels, the teams ensure strict segregation. Structure.
This initial cleaning is critical, as any impurity would compromise the radar transparency and the bond between the composite layers.
Maintain current elevation. Watch the clearance on the starboard side.
Confirmed. Speed is stable. Ready for descent at the vacuum station.
The high-temperature nylon vacuum bag film is draped over the composite structure, followed by the methodical application.
We've reached 180 degrees Celsius. Polymerization confirmed.
Pressure is stable at 6 bar. Process A is nominal.
This critical cleaning process removes residual dust, optimizing the surface for the subsequent application of the radar-absorbent material. The inlighting measurement confirms the bridge of the RAM layer is precisely 20 microns.
The Radome is moved into the infrared curing oven for preliminary heat stabilization. This initiates
The dark gray Radome is loaded into the final curing oven. The high-temperature baking cycle ensures the specialized...
The temperature profile stabilized precisely at the target.
Yes, sir. Cure kinetics are confirmed. The RAM coating is fully verified.
temperature check complete. It has cooled sufficiently. Move it to the quality control zone.
The data confirms the finished product's superior stealth performance across multiple frequency bands, validating the success of both Process A and Process B.
A worker inserts bright yellow protective plugs. These seals protect the precision machined holes from contamination.
This is the final Radome component, meticulously crafted and now securely transported to the Republic of Korea Air Force.
Morning, Colonel. The Radome is secure.
Confirmed, we'll take it from here.
Radome surface integrity check complete. All parameters nominal.
Confirmed. Prepare for installation sequence.
The F-35A's nose section houses the critical radar array. Here, technicians meticulously...
A little to the left. Okay, looks aligned, holes match up. Hand me the torque wrench.
All ground checks complete. Systems green. Ready for engine start.
Radome inspection complete, integrity confirmed.
Systems check nominal. Clear to launch.
The F-35A demonstrates the strength of the new Radome structure, withstanding extreme aerodynamic stress during this full-thrust acceleration.
Subjecting the airframe to intense structural loads during this high-G maneuver demonstrates the success of Process A and the integrity of the composite radome.
Signature confirmed as minimal. The stealth validation is complete.
The precision layup of the radome ensures long-term reliability, critical for extended missions in any environment.